Hey everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to recover deleted photos of videos on Android without root. So when you open your file or folder and you go to clean up, you will see here all the files and pictures that you have deleted. You will see a deleted file there, and all you have to do is to select that file that you wanted to restore, retrieve, or restore whatever files you have. So if your phone doesn't have it, then you can go to Google Play Store and then look for files or folders which can retrieve or restore deleted files or trash of files. On my Android, basically, or if you're using Android, then you can see that on your cleanup. But unfortunately, I cannot show you it right now because I have removed my deleted item, so I wasn't able to restore it. Another method is if you have your Google Photos. So it's a good thing that you have your Google backup photos. So all you have to do is go to Google Photos. If you have linked your Google account, so whatever files and photos saved on that Google account, you will see that on your Google Photos. So all you have to do is to look for Google Photos, or let's just say files here, this one. So as you can see, here is Google, and all I have to do is to look for trash icon in order for me to retrieve or recover deleted files. So here I can see all the video and photos that I have saved on this account on my Google Photos. So in order for you to recover deleted photos, what you're going to do here is you have to look for the trash feature or option. So you just have to tap this at three lines at the top left corner, and then you will see this trash right here. So unfortunately, I haven't deleted anything, but all the files, pictures, and videos that you have deleted, you can see it right here, and you can tap restore in order for you to retrieve. And that's how easy it is to simply recover deleted photos and videos on Android. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.